Guys, today I'm just going to do a video basically showing a knife that I feel is overrated for especially the price these days. The price point on these knives is 3 times probably, if not 4 times what the knife originally cost. It's a Desert Knife Works Sandshark. I assume this is a T6 here. There's the logo right there. It's supposed to be the gold standard for automatic knives. Let me remind you, this is a production knife. I have some Microtech knives that absolutely destroy this thing, as far as the build's quality, everything. This knife was a consignment knife, but it was sold as a mint knife. Alright? Check out the tip on this thing. I think this thing was used for one of Lynn Thompson's door penetration tests, right through like a 77 Impala car door. Just repeated jabbing. Alright, and the thing is, I'm going to have this knife, I'm going to call this video Pre-Restoration Sandshark. They are a tough knife and everything, but for the price of this knife these days, the price point, and everyone who knows anything about knives, I like to talk about prices on my channel, you can get a really good custom knife, okay? This knife is within the same price as a knife that absolutely destroys it. Absolutely destroys it on every level. Guys, I've never misled you. Ever. The Sandshark now is strictly a collector's knife for people that are willing to pay because they have to have one. Overrated. I think it's like an 01 steel. It doesn't look like ATS 34 to me. There's a discrepancy in the steel used. That's the two together. This is supposed to be the best production knife. This is one of the best customs for the same price, within a couple $100. So this knife was probably based off of it. I literally got this Piranha with the paint coming off the fish logo. It came off on my hands. Alright, still don't say the company is a good company, because good companies don't put this out. I got it from an authorized dealer. It did that in pocket. Garbage. It's clearly a takeoff of this design and everything, and the ergos, and everything. The Piranha looks like a Sandshark. This is a good knife, y'all. Don't get me wrong. It is a good knife for a production knife. But it costs as much as a custom now. If you're a collector and you have to have one, I understand. I bought this ostensibly, it was reported, mint condition. There are scratches on the handle, surface scratches all over the handle, blunt tip. This is phase 1 of the restoration process, pre-phase 1. I'm going to have this knife reworked so it's better than ever, even better than from Desert Knife Works themselves, because I'm going to have that flaw fixed where the blade drags against the body like that. It gets the internal chassis. No dragging, zero. Same price, both these knives, within a couple $100. Same price almost. You'll have a good one.